In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to eBay in 2005. Let's make sure you're ready to streamline your eBay transactions whether you're buying or selling. This process is fairly simple, and by the end of this video, you'll have your PayPal account linked to your eBay account ready to go. First, you want to ensure you're logged into your eBay account. Open up your web browser and navigate to www.ebay.com. In the top right corner, you'll see the sign in button. Enter your login credentials and you'll be taken to your eBay homepage. Next up, we're headed to Account Settings. It's where you can configure all things related to your eBay profile. So look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your name displayed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you'll manage everything from personal information to payment methods. Once you've clicked into your account settings, find the left-hand menu and click on the Payments option. This section handles your payment preferences, allowing you to add, remove, and manage the ways you can pay or receive payments through eBay. As you scroll through, keep an eye out for the option to link a PayPal account. Upon clicking Link a PayPal account, you'll be redirected to PayPal's login page. Here is where you'll input your PayPal credentials, starting with your PayPal email, followed by your password. This step is crucial as it authenticates that you are indeed the holder of the PayPal account you're trying to link. After successfully logging into PayPal, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection with eBay. You'll see a screen asking for your permission to allow eBay to connect with your PayPal account. Simply click Agree. Authorizing this connection is an important step, ensuring smooth transactions between the two platforms. Once you've agreed, you should be taken back to eBay. Here, eBay will display a confirmation message letting you know that your PayPal account is now linked. Now that your PayPal account is connected, you can easily use it for purchasing items on eBay. Additionally, in regions where it's applicable, you can set PayPal as a payout method as well. And that's it. Your eBay and PayPal accounts are now successfully linked, making your transactions as seamless as possible. We hope this guide was clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Happy shopping and selling!